Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm doing another Rosalind gel polish unboxing, and this time I have for y'all some glow in the dark gel polishes. So I'm very excited because if y'all have been on my channel for a while, you know that I love glow in the dark. Because who doesn't? I mean, glow in the dark is really fun, and to have a glow in the dark gel polish is very versatile in my opinion, because you could use that for so much when it comes to nails. But yeah, so I have my first glow in the dark gel polish set that I've ever gotten here, and this is all the colors, and they did send this to me for free. I'm not getting paid or anything, but I do have a discount code for y'all for 10% off, and I'll pop it up on the screen right now as I'm swatching these gel polishes. And also, this is just the first coat. I'm gonna do the second coat off camera, and then I'm gonna show y'all how these glow because they are so beautiful. And I do want to give y'all a little bit of a warning. After you cure them, they might look a little bit discolored, but that's because the glow in the dark like pigment kind of like sets off the tone a little bit, because it is a green glow in the dark pigment, so it makes the pinks look kind of gray a little bit. But this passes as the glow effect starts to wear off and as they get like used to the lighting. But when you take them straight out of the UV lamp, they look a little discolored, but they're the same color. I want to let y'all know that this discount code is also in my description. So yeah, so I'm gonna pop it up on screen here, and it's also in my description, and I'm also gonna remind y'all about it later, because if you're getting this gel polish kit, which I would recommend, yeah, why not just save some money, 10% off. So I will remind y'all, because I know some people are forgetful, because so am I. This is a pastel collection, so it's perfect for Easter, and these are the colors lined up. And the best way to get these to glow is to just directly put a UV lamp on them, just as if you was going into the sunlight. And yeah, they glow pretty bright, and I'm gonna show y'all a couple of shots of the glowing. So today I'm going to be trying out this peel off base coat, because I just feel like there gotta be a better way than putting 2 layers of top coat every time with cuticle oil and everything like that. I just feel like a peel off base coat, and somebody recommended this Macart peel off base coat as well. So I'm just gonna be trying it, and I'll tell y'all how that went right now, because as of right now I did pop the nails off, and I think it's best if you put 2 to 3 layers of it, because I did put acrylic instead of gel, because I don't have any gel glue, so I do use acrylic to apply these. Like half matte full cover tips from Rosalind as well. I'll have them linked below. I'll have everything I'm using linked below. But anyway, I did use acrylic instead of gel like you would normally use for a peel off base coat, especially a gel peel off base coat. But my nails did pop off, of course. I didn't prep them at all, so that probably helped. Yeah, I didn't prep them. I just filed it down my last set and soaked it off. And so my nails aren't prepped. I just straight up put a peel off base coat, and I put 1 layer on each finger except for my index finger, but I'm thinking 2 layers is the right way to go, or maybe even 3. But the peel out base coat is pretty thick, so I don't know. But anyway, I'm just applying these tips on with some Rosalind clear acrylic, which I also recommend. It's a very good clear acrylic. It's very clear. You wouldn't even expect it, but it's good. It's really good. So I'm just going to apply all of these tips, and then I'm going to sand them, get them ready for gel polish application. You could get away with just wiping them with some acetone or something and then putting the gel polish, but I like to buff my tips. And also I do this with my electric drill, and I do this because it helps me also get the cuticle area nice and flush to the nail. So yeah, I use my sanding band to do that. So basically I use it to kind of seal my cuticle in a way, and also to roughen up the nail for gel polish application, and also use it to straighten out the free edge of the tip. So after I have prepped my tips, I'm going in with 3 layers of this yellow on my thumb and pinky, and 3 layers of a different gel polish, also from Rosalind. I have a link below, of course. It's a nude color. I think it's a very nice nude, so I like to use it a lot. It's probably going to be gone soon. They're only 7ml bottles, I think. So yeah, it's going to be gone pretty soon because I love nudes. I really need to get a nude collection for real because yeah, I just like nudes. But Yeah, I'm gonna put this on the 3 fingers in the middle of my hand. Y'all can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna be putting 3 coats of all these colors because they are pretty sheer. So yeah, I'll come back once I'm done applying all those coats, and then we're gonna get into nail art. So today I decided to do something pretty simple. I've been doing simple lately, like, it's just because I'm in the middle of taking a little break from my long extendo nails. Also because I'm a little bit stressed out because my birthday is coming up. So yeah, and I don't have many videos prepped at all. Like, y'all, I recorded this today. I will tell y'all what day. It's Thursday. I recorded it today. I'm editing it today, and I'm having it out Saturday. Yesterday, it's actually, yeah, it's Thursday. No, it's Wednesday. So yeah, and yesterday, Tuesday, I recorded, edited, and had the video out today, y'all, on Wednesday. So that's pretty much how life has been going lately, because I used to record a lot more and edit a lot more, but now, like, I just do their stuff too often. I'm not good at balancing that type of stuff out. But anyway, since that's the case, I decided to do a simple set, and my birthday set is gonna take me a while. I'm gonna be sitting here. I'm gonna be sitting at my nail desk all day doing my birthday set. So yeah, and it's the next set I'm doing. So I'm going simple today, going very, very simple. And I'm starting off with a French tip on my ring finger, and I had to do just 2 coats of this because, as you can see right now, it's not looking very opaque. But I also decided to do an ombre, and I haven't done a gel ombre in forever because I don't know how. But with these colors, it was easy because these colors are kind of sheer, so it helps a lot with blending them. So yeah, I was able to achieve a gel polish ombre pretty simply. I just the layer under this is cured, and I'm just brushing it up basically on the sticky. I'm brushing up the uncured gel polish onto the cured gel polish, and it kind of just blends because the polish is on the more sheer side. So yeah, 2 coats of this French tip, and then I'm gonna do some flowers on my index finger. So for these flowers, I did get a little bit off camera and for the rest of this, so I apologize about that. But I was kind of ready to be done because yeah, this is a simple set, and I'm not really like I like simple nails. Yes, they are cute, but it's also short. And y'all, if y'all know my channel, y'all know that this isn't normal for me. Like these short simple sets I've been doing lately, not normal for me. So it does tend to get a little bit tedious. So, you know, I was just kind of finishing up here, and I didn't pay too much attention to if I was on camera, so I do apologize, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just putting 5 dots in a circle. And yeah, but y'all don't have to worry because my birthday set, I'm gonna get that on camera, all of it. Yeah, because I'm probably gonna do some external press-ons. And for my birthday, I did decide that I'm gonna stay home, so I'm not really gonna go anywhere for real, but I still want to look good, duh. Like, but yeah, I put in a little bit of bling on my pinky, and I put a flower on the ring finger, and then that's the set. I hope y'all like it. I think it's really cute, really simple, and perfect for spring. And I'm gonna show y'all them glowing in a second. Thank you to Rosalind for sending me this gel polish kit, and thank y'all for sending me anything, to be honest. And I hope y'all like this video and leave a like. Thank you for watching.